Hey, you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to share your Amazon associate links to Pinterest. So, if you're not already signed up with Amazon Associates, to get started doing that, all you have to do is scroll to the bottom of the page. Let me see, let me keep this afloat so I won't keep going in the background real quick. On top. Okay. So what you want to do is go to Amazon.com. I'm already in there, but what you want to do is scroll to the bottom of that page. Once you get to the bottom, you're gonna see the column that says "Make Money with Us." As you scroll down, it's gonna say "Become an Affiliate." You want to click on that link. So go ahead, click on that link and sign up. Once you get all signed up, which I already am signed up, you can see your Amazon Associate site stripe, which is going to be right here at the top of the page. So that's going to give you the way to send the link over to your your Pinterest page. So you can either send your links by text, you can send an image, you can send a text and an image, and this here is native shopping ads. We will probably talk about that later because that's another type of marketing that you can do with Amazon. You can also share your links to Facebook or Twitter if you like. So let's go ahead and jump into how to send it over to Pinterest. So all you have to do is pick out a item that you like. So let me see. I'm going to go ahead and go to clothing, shoes, and jewelry. Now, keep in mind, you make a percentage on these items based on the category that they're in. And I think clothing, shoes, and jewelry are going to give you upwards to like 10%. So anytime someone buys anything, you can make at least like 10%. So let's search for, I want to say Gucci shoes. So I'm gonna go to Gucci shoes and kind of pick out some that I like. Over here, you can click on top brands. Let's go to women's. Pick out some women's shoes. I would like to do actually some pumps. Let's click on this one. No, let's do wedges since it's summertime. I mean, almost summer. Why is it giving me shades? Okay. Well, anyway, I always just look for some I like. Well, these boots are nice. I kind of like those, but not enough. So you want to just pick out something that you really like because 9 times out of 10, if it's something you like, a lot of other people are going to like it too. So just keep in mind, you don't want to just post stuff on there just to be posting for the money. Go ahead and post things that you like and like take pride in it, and it seems more like you care about than just posting some random pictures up. Like, one pair of shoes could look crazy, like some clown shoes, and then you may have like another pair of old lady shoes. But these shoes are freaking $379, which could bring some nice coin back. So, but I don't like them. So I want my page to look nice, and I want it to be very interesting for people to look at, and also when I look at it, because sometimes I buy stuff. So, and I could refer to my page if I'm out and about or if I need an idea or something like that. So, let's try these here. So, what you do is click on the item that you want to promote, and then you go up to your site stripe. I always like to use text and image, so I click on text and image. And then in order to get my affiliate link, this is it here. What I do is I click on this link here that says, that's inside the image. because I know now that this is going to have my link embedded in the URL. So then what I do, I can go right over here to Pinterest icon and just tap on that. Now once you get over to Pinterest, you want to, select the right board where you want your shoes to go to. So my shoe board is called Shoe Game Proper. So what I want to do is just select save there, and then it'll ask me, do I want to see it now? Yes. So it's going to take me over to my board and show me um, what I just pinned. Well, this is going kind of slow. So we'll just go over, since I have Pinterest up, we'll just go over here. I don't know why that's going slow. But so we'll just go over here and check it out. So I want to click on profile so I can go over to my boards, select boards, and then I want to look for my Shoe Game Proper, which is right here, and there is the shoe right here. So once we click on that shoe that I just added, as you can see, the link and everything is going to be there. And if you want to promote it, you can go ahead and do that, but that's another topic. They do charge you for promotions. But so, you just put all the different shoes that you like and they have your affiliate link. So if someone likes your shoes and they go and buy them from Amazon, you get a percentage of that sale. And then also, say they go over there and they decide not to buy the shoes, but they have already clicked over to your link to that leads them over to Amazon. Say they buy a refrigerator instead, then you're still getting a percentage of that, of the cost of that refrigerator, simply because they're still on your link. So if they buy anything while they have clicked on your link within 24 hours, you get a percentage of that, of all the sales that they bought for that time period. Okay? So that's what I wanted to share with you guys today. I mean, if you like Pinterest the way I do, I'm always looking at new stuff and adding new stuff. Um, and if you like pinning, like in my spare time, if I'm waiting for an appointment or something in line at the grocery store, I'll pin things. So why not get paid while you're just pinning? I mean, I just started it, so I don't have any money yet, but in time, like everything else, if you just be consistent, it will start to grow. All right. I've already seen my followers and everything starting to build up. And, just putting stuff on there every single day, even if you do 5 to 10 pins a day, just stay consistent with it. Okay. And then sure enough, you'll start to see something. All right. So if you have any comments, any questions, go ahead and put them down below. Be sure to like my channel, and I hope this brought you guys some value, and it's just another way to start having some passive income. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.